I finished the welding on the end cap. That's ready to machine now. That's all ready to go. I've cut these little pieces of stainless angle, which are going to be for the mounting brackets for that second battery pod. And now I'm going to continue with machining and putting the holes, drilling 4 holes and tapping them out for the through hole. One of these days I'm going to get this hoist rigged up. It's one of those jobs I just never get around to doing. You know what I mean? Right, I don't know if this is the right way to do this or not, to be honest. It's the only way I can think of to do it. I dare say somebody out there might have a better idea, but this is what I'm going to do. M20 by 1.5 machine tap, and it's not a spiral fluted one. It's one of those ones that shoves the chips out the front. For the life of me, can't remember the name of it off the top of my head now. It's not a spiral flute. It's a thingy flute. You know the one I mean. It's one of these. Check it fits, which I'm sure it will. It does. Lovely. So, just got to do another 3 of them. Last one. Right, finished. Just got a tiny little scratch across there. Doesn't really matter, it's just slightly irksome, if there is such a word. I think it might have been from the coolant pump. Try these out. Okay, and I've actually done them. I've done them all the way through, so that I can actually put double penetrators on if I want, like that. I don't really think that's necessary, but it gives them a lot greater depth rating. The only trouble is they're quite expensive, so I don't really want to use them up like an owl pit.